Hi friends, I am Prakash. I am from Tamil Nadu, India. I am an exporter and I am an importer. And we are right now providing several services to import goods from China. In order to import goods from China, we have created four important steps. And all these services are paid services only, and no free discussions and no free doubt clarifications. Step one service I will explain of how to import goods from India through our service, through our firm. And the step one service is shipping or logistics agent. In order to import goods from China, it's very important. The first step is to check whether a product can be imported into India or not. It is the first step everyone need to take. You must check with a shipping agent or a CHA agent about what are the documents that are needed for customs clearance, both from supplier side, that is the Chinese supplier side, and also the Indian client side. You must be aware. You must collect all these details. It is the first step. In order to uh, provide this service, this step one service to our client, uh, we will create a WhatsApp group along with uh, the shipping or logistics agent in North India. So I will introduce a North Indian logistics agent or a shipping agent in the WhatsApp group which I am going to create. And in that group, the members are I will be there, and then the shipping or logistics agent of a particular logistics company employee, they may be there in that group, and also yourself. Now within that group, you can communicate directly with the logistics agent that I introduce in North India. The logistics agent may belong to any part of North India, maybe a Delhi-based agent, or maybe a Mumbai-based agent, or major port cities-based agent. I will introduce. Uh, you can directly discuss with them through our WhatsApp group. You can communicate with the logistics agent. You must provide the HSN code of that particular product and the images in that group. Now our logistics agent will check whether that product can be imported or not. What are the certificates need for customs clearance? What are the regulations to import that particular product? And then the basic customs duty. What is the basic customs duty of that product? And then the tax involved. What are the tax you need to pay? All these things a logistics agent will inform you. Uh, for 10 products, for 10 different products, we will provide this service through our logistics agent. And if you need to import a small quantity of goods, say for example LCL shipment, you need to give a shipping agent your packaging dimensions and total weight of the product. Uh, then our shipping agent, they will give you the total cost involved, the freight rate charges and all these things they will provide you. If you are going to import a 20 feet container or a full 40 feet container, for that also a shipping agent can provide rates for you. These are the various services we provide in step one. It's not a free service, it's a paid service only. And you can see the description box of this video to know more about our fee structure for this step one service. And this is the first step you need to take before importing any product from China or any other country. Right, okay. And now I will explain you the step 2 service. Now the step 2 service we provide is sourcing agents. It's very important for an Indian importer to import goods from a reliable supplier. Finding a reliable supplier from online is always a difficult task. Uh, we are having genuine sourcing agents in China, and they will support you. They will support you to find the right supplier for you for your product at the right price. For this, in this step 2 service, what I will do is I will create a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, myself will be there, and then yourself, and then the Chinese sourcing agent will be there, and a Tamil sourcing agent will also be there. So you can easily directly discuss with the Chinese sourcing agent in that WhatsApp group. You can communicate with the Chinese sourcing agent, and you can intimate them your requirements. And based on your requirements, they will provide all the details from China. So in that WhatsApp group, you can easily communicate with the Chinese agent and our Indian agent, Tamil agent. They know English, so there is not a problem for you. So you can easily communicate in English in that group. Okay. So this is the step 2 service we provide, sourcing. For that also, there is a fee involved, and you can see the description box for our fee structure. And our sourcing agent from China can help you to source from the right supplier and also at a right price. And the most important part of this service is we are not going to hide anything. Our sourcing agent will directly provide you some list of manufacturers for your products, maybe five or more, depending upon the number of manufacturers for your product. Our sourcing agent will provide you the list of manufacturers, so you can directly discuss with them, you can directly communicate with them, and once you are going to place an order, and you can get back to us, you can do that also. So there is a full transparency here, and there is no hiding that we are not going to add our margin on top of that price. We directly give you the list of manufacturers, and you can discuss with them. uh, this is the most important service, the step 2 service, sourcing part. And now I will explain you the step 3 service. And the step 3 service is samples. Now in step 2 service, you discuss everything with your manufacturer, and now you finalize the price and the product. Now the third step is samples shipment. You need to place a sample order. For that, what we are providing is we can guide you of how to get that sample from China to your destination or door delivery, whatever it may be. We can support it, because already we have created a group along with the North Indian shipping agent who know Hindi very well. Because myself being from Tamil Nadu, I don't know Hindi. I know only English and Tamil. And my team Tamil agent in our WhatsApp group, in step 2 service, they also know only English and Tamil. But our shipping agent, who is residing in North India, and they are North Indians, and they know how to communicate with you in Hindi. So language is not a problem here. You can easily communicate with our shipping agent in North India, and whatever you want to convey, you can easily communicate in Hindi. So language is not a problem here in our system. So in step 3, sample shipment. So we can pick the samples from the supplier, and we can provide it as a door delivery to you. This is step 3 service, that is a samples shipment. And then the next one is step 4 service. And step 4 service is order execution. Now you receive the samples in step 3, and you finalize that you are going to import this product in a bulk quantity. In step 4 service, if you need our team in order to import goods, bulk goods from China, if you need our support, you can use our WhatsApp group again for step 4 service. to import a bulk quantity of goods from China. And our Chinese agent and our Tamil agent, they will be monitoring what are the activities, what are the activities that is happening inside the group. They will be monitoring everything, and they will be monitoring your payment processing, and then they will be monitoring your supplier whether they have received the payment or not. And also, if any they need to visit directly to the factory or your supplier to execute that order, our agent will do that. uh, as I said earlier, both Chinese agent is there in China, and Tamil agent living in China is there. They can go directly to the premises uh, in the production area, and they can give the updates from there, either through images or live video calls, or whatever form you need. They can provide that service. uh, so through our team, if you are going to import goods from China, bulk order import from China, then you can see that the supplier clearly know that the Chinese team is monitoring, the Chinese agent is monitoring, and another Indian Tamil agent is also there. They are monitoring. So these Chinese supplier, they don't have such kind of intentions to cheat you or fake you. So it's very important to have this kind of WhatsApp group in order to import goods from China to India. So this is the step 4 service we provide, uh, order execution. And for this service also, you can go through the description box. What is the cost involved, what are the service fee we charge, we are receiving from you. All these informations I have provided in the description box. You go through all these things. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. In order to import goods from China, these are the 4 important services we are providing. That is step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. And one more service we are also providing is, if you need to visit directly, if you need to visit China directly, then our team will provide you all the necessary arrangements, like visa arrangements, and then flight ticket booking, and then hotel room booking, and all these things. Our agent in China, and that is our Chinese agent, and a Tamil agent in China, they will arrange it for you. You can visit your supplier, and you can easily visit the exhibitions like cat and fair trade shows along with our guide. So this is also we are providing. So if you need to import goods from China, you can use our paid services. And once again, I want to remind you all that all these are paid services only, and these are not free services. And you can go through the description box below. And if you need any clarifications, you just text me. No need to call me at all, because only for paid clients, we will discuss. We will create a WhatsApp group, and we will start to discuss whichever service you need. It may be step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. And I highly recommend you to begin with the step 1 service, because step by step only we need to proceed in order to import goods from China. In step 4, in order execution service, you must have, there are two options. That is, you must have an IE code, you must have an import export code to import goods from China, or in some cases we will introduce you uh, a North Indian based agents to import goods for you, and they will import your goods, and they will deliver to your location. So that service also we are providing. So there are two options: either you must have your own IE code, or our North Indian based agent, they will import the goods for you, and they will deliver it to you. You can discuss with them in our WhatsApp group, the introduced WhatsApp group, along with our North Indian based shipping agents who know Hindi very well, as well as the North Indian based import agents who know Hindi very well. So language will not be a barrier. And if you need to take services, you can just text me. Thank you.